Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to today's video where I'll be installing the APR Performance pendulum mount and the 034 Dogbone mount for my MK6 GLI. The pendulum mount and Dogbone mounts are a huge upgrade for GTIs or the GLIs. It's actually very common to do a stage 1 tune with the Dogbone and pendulum mount because it gets rid of that wheel hop and you can accelerate super hard. It's an awesome upgrade and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so for the parts I have my 043 Dogbone mount right here. So I have the lower insert as well as the upper insert. APR Performance pendulum mount, as well as the hardware for it. I'm going to use a breaker bar for the uninstall, torque wrench for installing the new APR pendulum mount, as well as kind of all of the required socket heads right here. You're going to need a 21mm socket head, as well as a 16mm, and then for the install for APR Performance is a 15mm and then a 12mm. For the Dogbone, it's going to be inserted with the thicker wall facing toward the front of the car. This plate, the larger rounded side, is going to face toward the back side. And then for the upper insert, right here, the gap on the bottom, facing out toward facing the front of the car. That upper insert, so I was able to pry it up through this middle part, but it actually looks like there was enough clearance to get it in from above. Really struggled getting it in from the bottom, so strongly recommend trying it from above. The rear bolt is going to be set to 74 foot-pounds and the two front ones are 54 foot-pounds. So here it is, the APR Performance pendulum mount installed with the 034 lower and upper insert. I'm going to drive it in just a few minutes and see how it feels. What I'm looking for here is maybe additional noise inside the cabin. Here we go. Yeah, so there is additional vibration, which is completely expected. It's probably a lot to do with the upper insert. It accelerates faster. Oh my gosh. It just drives that power to the wheel so much more. There is no wheel hop. It's going to deliver that power so much more effectively with this. Super happy with the upper and lower inserts from 034 Motorsports and the pendulum mount from APR Performance. I think it's an excellent combination on this MK6 GLI. I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I am extremely excited to continue working on some more projects. So thanks for tuning in.